Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So now, just for an example, let me take one photo. Now I'm going to show you how you can disable this feature. So you go to settings, and here you have mirrored selfie. So just disable it like this, and so as you can see on this photo we have lighting coming from the left side and this one from the right side. So basically these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.